In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Aramex account. Whether you've stopped using their services or simply wish to manage your online accounts more efficiently, removing your Aramex account can streamline your digital footprint. Stay tuned as we walk through this straightforward process together. First, let's navigate to the Delete an Account section on the Aramex website. You can find this by heading over to the Help section on their site and searching for Account Management, or using the direct link from Aramex's support pages. It's always a good idea to bookmark this page for easy access if needed. Once you've reached the page, you should see some options related to account management. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this page. It's designed to help you manage all linked aspects of your Aramex account, which includes the ability to delete it if you no longer use it. If you're sure you want to proceed, let's move on to the next step. Now log into your account using your credentials. Make sure your login information is correct, as you'll need access to the dashboard area to carry out the account deletion. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard page. Look for the Accounts section. This is where all your account management tasks will take place. In the Manage Your Accounts section, you'll see a comprehensive list of all your linked accounts. Carefully scroll through the list until you locate the specific account you wish to delete. Next to each account, you should notice a small clickable option. Go ahead and click this next to the account you intend to remove. After clicking, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision to delete the account. This step is crucial as it ensures that the account isn't accidentally removed. Once you are confident that you have selected the correct account, click Yes to proceed with the deletion process. Once confirmed, the account will be removed from your profile. It's important to note that should you change your mind, Aramex allows you to add the account back again whenever necessary, using the same account number and PIN. This process provides flexibility and ensures that you're in full control of your experience with their services. And there you have it. Your Aramex account is now deleted successfully. Make sure to double check that it no longer appears in your profile. Remember, maintaining a clean online presence is beneficial for your digital security and peace of mind. If you have any further questions or need assistance, Aramex's support team is always available to help. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more instructional content and tips. Have a great day.